With these two ingredients, my sister-in-law said goodbye to the bag and the eyes, dark spots and wrinkles. What you might not have considered is that baking soda can be used for cosmetic purposes. It was not until 1846 that Dr. Austin Church and Joe Dwight began manufacturing and selling the compounds we know today as baking soda. In the 1920s, however, its versatility was expanded, and in the 1930s it was widely advertised as a proven medical agent. When it comes to cosmetics, it can be a perfect replacement for your expensive skincare products that are not effective, contain a lot of chemicals and can have side effects. Baking soda can solve your problems with acne and rashes. The cosmetic products in their contents have baking soda along with other chemicals. But you can make your mask with baking soda, which will be totally natural and without chemicals. It will remove swollen eyelids, dark circles under your eyes and eye bags. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 cup of organic fennel tea. Instructions: combine baking soda with warm chamomile tea and soak a cotton pad in it. Apply under the eyes and let stand for 15 minutes. You can wash your face and put some essential oil, such as coconut oil. Use this mask regularly to eliminate problems and revitalize your skin.